Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Leeroy. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Mihlali has been trending for almost 3 months now after she dated Leeroy Sidambe. People have trolled her for dating a married man and labeled her a home wrecker. Mihlali recently did an interview on Kaya 959 and talked a bit about her being the most talked about. Here's what she said, guys. Please check it out.
From Mihlali Ndamase to Mihlali Hot Topic Ndamase.
Your Twitter handle.
Twitter handle. In your own words, why?
Because, there's just been a lot of talk right now, so I'm just like, since I'm the hot topic, Kesana, let me own it.
Might as well own it, right? How do you feel about the stuff that's being topical about you? Because you read, of course you read, and it's your life,
but I also try not read too much into it. But like everyone is entitled to sharing their opinions. That's what you sign up for when you're in the public space. So they're allowed to share, they're allowed to talk.
Yeah. And how do you filter all of them out of whatever it is that you might be processing? Because I do imagine, obviously, you're human.
Yeah.
There's certain things that when you read them, they do cut deep and they do hurt. Do you ever feel that way?
I think I'm glad that I came into this space at a point where I was just about sharing my craft, and that's what it's always been about. My personal life has had nothing to do with my business. So I don't seek validation from people, especially in that aspect. So I really try and not let their opinions get to me. And also, I feel like I've built a successful brand to this point.
Yes.
Outside of all the noise, and I'm just going to keep on going.
We're going to keep on going with her. She's going absolutely nowhere. She's hanging out with us, starting her day on 959, as are you. Mihlali, Hot Topic, owning it. Ndamase, I love a bad like you. Oh my God.
Own it, girl. Own it.
So this is Silk Sonic, Leave the Door Open. Mishi here was singing off air. Is this one of your go-to songs, no? You just like it?
No, I just like it.
Is it? Do you have it on your playlist?
No, I don't. But it's one of those songs that was so popular on radio and stuff that when it plays, you just have to bop along to it.
Yeah, it's quite nice. So, Mihlali, you have a very special relationship with your mother.
Yes, I do.
Right? And I love the fact that we've addressed the pink elephant in the room. Thank you very much, guys. Yes, she's a hot topic. Now we can move on. Fabulous. Right. So you've got a really, really beautiful relationship with your mother. Let's talk about that growing up. Was she also in the beauty industry? Did she inspire any of this?
She definitely did. My mom was in the fashion space. She studied fashion designing and business. So considering it was a completely different time, she really had to fight to pursue that career, especially coming from a very traditional family. So I think another reason why I have such a great relationship with her is that when I wanted to go into the